Pro Connect is a Bluetooth low energy app control ecosystem. It controls at this current point in time 13 unique speakers across 5 product lines, and that's really what's a game changer about it. In the new version of JBL Pro Connect version 2.0, demo mode is very powerful because it allows users a few things. First off, prospective users can now tour the application in full without any access to hardware. You previously needed access to a speaker to be able to utilize the application to its fullest, and now with demo mode, you can access it without a speaker. In addition to that, some users may want to verify select parameters or even build entire shows while offline. You know, imagine you're riding the train to your gig, you've got your EON ONE MK2 next to you, and you want to just set up your show very basic so you can get there, turn on, and you're going, right? You can very easily dial in your settings in demo mode and then save them as a snapshot, which you can then recall at a later point in time. So not only do you get to explore the app without hardware access, but you can actually use the app as a creative tool to build your setup ahead of time and then load it to your speaker when you arrive wherever the speaker is going to be used. The ability to explore demo mode ahead of time not only allows you to see what we have to offer from a software perspective, but allows you, the user, to make better informed decisions about what product you're deciding on in the future. You don't have to decide on the product without the software. You haven't demoed it. You don't know how the software is going to function or if it's going to mesh with your workflow. And now you can actually get in there and really experience it beforehand, test drive the software, if you will, before you end up buying the speaker, so you know if it's the right one for you. Every JBL Pro Connect enabled speaker is going to have little subtle differences. So in addition, you as an end user may be sitting trying to decide between a PRX ONE and an EON ONE MK2. Well, you can boot up the application, load both speakers in demo mode, and actually see the differences in DSP platform and how the speaker is going to function in the application.